Wow, that weather looks horrible in Colorado. I hope there's no snow coming our way.
Me too, especially because yesterday was the first day of spring. But let's check in with Rachel Nemi in the Weather Center to see what we should be expecting outside.
Yeah, thanks, Zane. You know what? There's no snow in our forecast here, but yesterday was the first day of spring, and if you stepped outside, there's no way you would have known that by those temperatures. But let's check out here. So right now we're at 41 degrees, sun's out there, sun's shining in the sky, so it looks pretty nice out there. But we have winds out here 5 miles an hour, so not enough to make too much of a difference, just make it a little breezy out there to make it feel a little colder than it actually is. We have our humidity at 48%, so it's a comfortable day out there, even though the sun is out. It's a lot better than those sticky days we had last week. And around the area, most of it is looking the same. Everywhere is kind of in the mid to upper 40s. So we have over here Chillicothe at 43, Ironton down here 44, Ripley over here 45 degrees. So overall, it's looking pretty nice out there. Athens, though, we're still at 41 degrees in the middle. But at our almanac, we're right where we're supposed to be. So even though it doesn't necessarily feel like spring out there, temperatures are perfectly fine. So if we look at our high for the day, 47 degrees, and our normal, 54 degrees, they're only a couple temperatures of a difference, so right around where we should be. But check this out. Back in 2012, 85 degrees was our record. You know, I know we wish we had some of that weather today, but it's coming. Just be patient. But over here on the flip side, back in 1986, 9 degrees, only 9 degrees. So it could always be worse out there. And here's our precipitation cast. So it's feeling colder out there because it is colder. We have this high pressure down here, and it's just kind of hanging out. But if we look up here, all this green, this is rain and moisture, and this is going to come, and it's going to move across the country over to us here in Ohio. And along with this rain comes those warmer temperatures. So I'll talk about that a little more in our 7-day, and you can see once this rain moves through, things are going to start warming up out there. And tomorrow, look at this, the afternoon highs out there, it's going to look like a completely different day. Athens tomorrow, 63 degrees. Ironton down here, 66 degrees. Columbus, 61. Overall, tomorrow it's going to be a beautiful day out there. And if we look at the overnight lows, though, it's going to still be a little chilly. Once that sun goes down, it's still going to be cold out there, so grab those jackets. We have Athens here, 29, Newark, 29, so still below freezing in some places across the map. And tonight over here, it's still going to be a little chilly here in Athens. It's 33 degrees, but it's going to be partly cloudy. We have this light breeze that's going to come through, so still it's going to be a really good night out there. And if we look at the hour by hour, here we have 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., 43 degrees. And then as we move through the night, it's still going to get a little chilly out there, only in those mid-30s. And if we take a look at the hour by hour, we have Tuesday, 65 degrees, and it's still going to be a little chilly out there. It's going to be breezy, too. Things are going to be coming in. And if we look at Wednesday, 68 degrees, and Thursday, 66 degrees. And Friday, we're moving into 52 degrees, but that rain is coming in, as we can see, Wednesday and Thursday. But this weekend, Easter Sunday, it's going to be 63 degrees, so it's going to be nice out there, guys.
Well, I sure am glad that the cold isn't going to be staying here all week long.
And I'm looking forward to the warmer weather, and especially just in time for Easter.